How to see your Oculus Pin. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can see your Oculus Pin, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to see your Oculus Pin, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up your browser. Go to secure.oculus.com. Again I repeat, secure.oculus.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below so you can check that out as well if you'd like. Then after that, just make sure to sign into your Oculus or your Meta Quest account. Once you've logged into your Quest account over here, what you want to do is by default you're going to be under profile, and if you look on the left hand side, you just have to look and scroll for this option known as pin. As you can find it over here, you'll find this option called pin here. Just make sure to click on the pin option. Now there isn't the direct way to view your current pin on Oculus or any of the Oculus account page. The only way you can actually find out your current pin, if you forgot it, you can choose to reset your pin if you do not remember your current pin. So if you don't remember your current pin, you can just click on this forgot pin option here, and then you can see it says after submitting a request you'll receive an email containing a link to reset a pin. So just click on the request pin request over here. After you've done this, a request will be sent to your mailbox most likely, so you might just want to try to log into your email, and then most likely you'll actually receive an email from Quest where he'll take you to the page where you can simply enter the new pin without having to remember your old pin. This way you can basically go ahead and then actually you can see over here reset your Oculus Quest pin, or most likely try to understand that you can't see your pin but you can reset it without remembering your old pin. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.